What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC. Let's go. Let's get straight to it. Want to let y'all know I love this opportunity. This is an app. It's called Ganked Play, and so far I'm loving it. I cashed out like $6 total. I cashed out $5 like 2-3 days ago, and just wanted to let you guys know what it's all about, what it's doing, and how is it. It pays like well. It said like 40, I want to say 24 hours to 48 hours, and it paid like in like 15 minutes when I cashed out. I cried a little sleep. I haven't did that in a while. So this is all the payment proof they have. They used to let you cash out $1, but now it's not $1, it's $5, the minimum to cash out. So all you need is 5,000 to cash out. It used to be 1,000, which is $1. But for PayPal, they have 5 all the way up to $200. So mainly what I do is these main 3 things right here. Don't worry about that. I made a video about fast rewarders. They're connected with Ganked Play. They like brothers and sisters or cousins, whatever. But these are the main three things I do right here. I watch videos. Let me hit that. Boom. I watch videos this way and then I watch videos the other way. I'm actually gonna pull over some points. Be close to cashing out this $5 again. So as you can see, I gained more points, and as you can see, I'm at 4,105 points. I'm about to change that. Use some of these points real quick. I use, Hideout and Luke TV, and then the watch video. Actually, I'm gonna hit another video, and then you're gonna see my points change a little bit drastically. So it's gonna bump up a little bit more. I'm gonna change them from these other video apps. So as you see, the points going to change, but not drastically from this, but you get like 2 points per video. So as you can see, 2 points, it showed up right there. All right, so we have 4,107. All right, so I'm about to switch these little points over here. All right, remember we have 4,000. All right, now we're at 4,109. All right, so we just switched some points over. We're going to be up than that. We have way more points. Well, I won't say a lot, but 30 points. Way more than just 2 points. So I just switched that over, just letting y'all know that I use the other video sites too. So we're going to bump my points up. And we almost close to the $5 range, guys. Guys and girls. Let me load. As you can see, I got my points bumped up some more. Alright. Let's go to referral program. Just show you how that's looking in the back office. So this one's different than most opportunities. In order to be able to switch that and convert it over, that what I have 174, I have to have 1,000 in there. And then it say, yes, both are the same. You must earn. You must earn 1,000 referral coins and current coins to convert it for actual Ganked Play coins. I really ain't into all that, extra stuff. But hey, guys, it is what it is. I guess I gotta grind harder to get referrals. So can't just switch the 174 over there. So let me go and I can't switch any points over because I already switched points over already for the other one. So that'll be another video I'll show you for both. But just letting you guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, know that this opportunity still pays, is paying, and come join. I have a link below the description. It's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC. Let's go. So come join. Use my link. All right. Let's get it. I'm out.